In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause an automation in your marketing platform. If you're managing automated workflows, like welcome messages, onboarding series, or follow-up reminders, there are times you may want to hit pause. Maybe you're updating content, troubleshooting unexpected behavior, or just need to stop messages from going out during a promotion. Pausing is a safe, temporary way to halt activity without deleting anything you've built. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, head to the Automations area. From your main dashboard or navigation, look for a section labeled Automations. This is where all your workflows live, and it's the best place to manage them without digging into individual campaigns. Opening this section gives you a list or grid of your existing automations, often with names, statuses, and last run times to help you make quick decisions. Next, find the specific automation you want to pause. Scan the list or use search if it's available to locate the exact workflow you have in mind. Names like Welcome New Contacts are common, but always double-check the description or a brief summary to make sure it's the right one. Look for cues like the trigger, audience, or the last time it ran. This small moment of confirmation helps you avoid stopping the wrong workflow. On the right side of that Automations row, you'll see a three-dot icon, the More Options menu. Click that. This menu usually holds management actions such as edit, duplicate, delete, and of course, pause. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse over the row or expand the panel. It often appears when you're focused on a specific item. Choose Pause from the menu. When you pause an automation, new entries typically stop immediately. Depending on your platform, contacts already in progress may complete the current step or halt before the next one. The interface often shows a short note explaining what will happen, so take a second to read any on-screen guidance. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. This is a safeguard to make sure you're pausing the correct workflow. After confirming, look for a clear status change. Labels like paused, disabled, or a muted icon are common indicators. That visual confirmation tells you the automation is no longer actively running. And that's it. You clicked Automations, found the workflow you want, used the three-dot menu, selected Pause, and confirmed. Pausing is reversible and preserves your setup so you can revisit your strategy, update content, and keep your system clean and controlled.